Welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen as we continue our culinary journey celebrating Asian American Pacific Islander Month. Today we're embracing the essence of Japanese simplicity with a dish that's light on the palate yet rich in flavor. We're creating the iconic Benihana's onion soup, a restaurant staple that's as delightful to eat as it is straightforward to make. So grab your apron and let's dive into the deliciousness of this classic comfort food, perfect for any table. Okay, we're going to begin over high heat with 4 cups of chicken broth. My broth is kind of settled here, so I want to make sure I get all the goodness out of this bowl. And 2 cups of water. And we're going to add half of a carrot. It's about 1/4 cup that was just coarsely chopped. And about 1 stalk of celery that's coarsely chopped, and it's about 1/4 cup. Then the only other thing we need for the stock is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I almost forgot the most important part. I have half of our onion just coarsely chopped. We're going to put this on high heat till it comes to a boil and simmer it for about 10 minutes until the onion starts to become translucent. While the broth is cooking, we're going to get some of the other components to the onion soup ready. I've got about 1 cup of oil, just plain canola oil in this pot. I'm going to heat it on to medium heat, and I'm going to fry the other half of our onion that we sliced really thin. But first we need to bread it. I'm going to take some of our slices, just dip them in milk. And then I'm just putting them in plain flour. It's not seasoned at all. And then we'll drop them in our hot oil. Now we're going to fry those onions just a handful at a time in our hot oil till they're golden brown. And I've got a plate lined with paper towels ready. Put them on when they're completed cooking. Once they're nice and golden brown, take them out. And we're going to let them just set and cool while we finish up our soup. Now that our soup is simmered for 10 minutes, we're going to pour it through a sieve into a bowl. Just strain off all the vegetables. And then we're going to pour our broth back in the pot. And that's the base of our soup. Now it's just a matter of serving it up. Now I'm going to show you how to put the soup together to serve it to your guests. We're going to start out and ladle our soup into our bowl. It's nice and clear. Then we want to add some of our fried onion into the bowl. And I have like 6 mushrooms here that have been sliced really thinly. And we want to put 5 or 6 of those on top of your bowl. And then I have some diced up green onions, just the green part, and we're going to put a couple of pinches of that on top. And to serve it like Benihana's, as soon as the onion sinks down into the broth, it's ready to serve. And there you have it, Benihana's onion soup. I hope you've enjoyed this simple yet savory delight as much as I did. Remember, great flavors don't have to be complicated. Keep celebrating the rich tapestry of Asian American Pacific Islander heritage with us, and stay tuned for another delectable creation next week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty treats. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. And until next time, have fun in the kitchen.